In this session, we're going to talk about how to import data from a web. So you can import data from a web into Power BI as long as the data is in form of a table. So with me here, I got a web that is containing data in form of a table. So what we need to do to import data from a web is go to the Home tab, then Get Data. You'll be able to see several options. Look for web. And then after looking for web, it should give you an interface whereby you can key in the URL of that website. So this is the interface where you can be able to provide the URL. So I'm going to paste the URL here. So this is a URL of a website that is containing table. I'll be able to provide this URL on the description for this video. Then click OK. You need to have stable internet for you to get data from web. Then once I click OK, you can see that Power BI has been able to get the table from the internet, and here is the table. You can see the delimiter has been auto-detected to be tab, and we have around 200. We have several rows here, several rows. So if you want to load this data or import this data to Power BI, I recommend that you click on load. You'll be able to see how to transform data in a later session. So click load. So what you're going to realize is that the data is going to be added to your data model, and you can see we have another table here with the name app data 2. So this is the data that has been added to our data model. Remember, our previous data model had only these tables: dim customer, dim date, dim geography, dim product, dim sales territory, and fact internet sales. So that is how you import data from web. Just in case you want to remove this data, or you want to remove a table from a data model, this is what you do. You have to right click on the table, and then you have to get to this option, delete from model, and then you'll be able to delete the data from the model. You're going to see that the data is going to disappear from the model. So it is asking me if I want to delete. So okay. So you're going to see that the data has disappeared from the data model. We have our previous tables. So thank you for watching, and in our next session, we shall see how we can be able to import data from a database